If you want to add money to your Phantom wallet, then please make sure you watch this video until the end. And then at the end, you will be able to do this just like me. So let's dive into the video right now. As you can see, I'm in my Phantom wallet account and I want to add money to my Phantom wallet. And I can click on this buy crypto little bar in the middle of my screen. And it is basically the same as when you click on the middle and then you see buy at the middle right, top middle right. So we click on buy. And here we can see a lot of currencies that Phantom Wallet is offering at the moment. And of course we have the most popular ones at the top. And this is actually the best way to add money to your wallet. And I'm going to show you how this works. So let's say we want to add Solana, very popular at the moment. And let's say we want $500. Right now we have some options regarding this $500. And we can click on the credit and debit card in here. And now it will give us some providers with the prices included. And from here you can just select the cheapest provider or the provider that suits you the best. And if you want to pay with, for example, Apple Pay or PayPal, this is also possible. Let's say you want to pay with Apple Pay. You select Apple Pay. You have providers in here that support Apple Pay, so you can pick from those. And then you also have PayPal, of course, really trusted. And then there we have MoonPay. So this is how it works, guys. This is how you add money to your Phantom wallet. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one. Bye bye.